Close your eyes for a second. You walk into your bedroom at midnight. Without touching a switch, soft amber light rises from under your bed. It guides your steps like a luxury hotel. Morning comes. You step into your kitchen. Clean white light brightens the counters. A warm glow washes down the cabinets. Even making coffee feels cinematic. Your living room glows. So good your partner asks, "Did you hire a designer?" Here's the crazy part. No renovation. No new furniture. You spent about the same as a nice dinner. This is the interior design secret professionals rarely share. Lighting controls how a space feels, not furniture. Not paint, light. Overhead lighting kills atmosphere. Indirect lighting creates magic. Take any lamp you already own. Place it in a corner. Add a smart bulb. Aim it at the wall. Lower brightness to 30%. Set warm light. Instant designer lighting. Now the kitchen. Add an LED strip under the cabinets. Let the light spill onto the floor. Luxury glow. Zero construction. Now the TV. Add soft backlighting. Less eye strain. Better picture. Now make it smart. Add a motion sensor. Walk in. Lights turn on automatically. Bright by day. Soft at night. This is real smart living. Start with one room. 2 bulbs. 1 light strip. Done. No wiring. No stress. 1 light can change a room. 1 sensor can change your routine. Your smarter, cozier home is waiting. Which room are you upgrading first?